two viral Korean toner pads, both promising perfect skin. But which one actually delivers? I'm putting the Medicube Zero Pore Pad against the Needly Daily Toner Pad head-to-head. The results might surprise you. Let's get straight to the facts. Medicube. 70 pads, dual-textured, 4.5%, AHA lactic acid plus 0.45%, BHA salicylic acid. This is the heavy hitter. Clinical data shows 47% sebum reduction and 87% pore waste decrease, around $25 to $30. Needly, 60 pads, gentler approach with BHA, PHA gluconolactone, plus Centella and tea tree for sensitive skin. Also around $25 to $30. So price-wise, they're neck and neck. Medicube wins on pure power. That dual AHA BHA combo is no joke. It's designed for stubborn blackheads and enlarged pores. The textured side physically exfoliates while the smooth side soothes. Users rave about dramatic pore improvements. But here's the catch. It can be too intense for sensitive skin. Some people report irritation and overdrying. Needly takes the gentle but effective route. The PHA gluconolactone exfoliates without the harsh sting, while Centella and tea tree calm inflammation. Users consistently mention it's hypoallergenic and perfect for daily use. The pads are larger and more saturated with essence. But if you need serious pore intervention, this might feel too mild. Here's who wins what. Medicube if you have oily, acne-prone skin with stubborn blackheads and can handle strong actives. The clinical results don't lie. 87% pore waste reduction is impressive. Needly if you want daily gentle exfoliation, have sensitive skin, or you're a beginner with acids. Since they're the same price, it really comes down to your skin's tolerance and needs. My honest take? Most people should start with Needly and switch to Medicube only if they need the extra strength. Which team are you on? Gentle daily care or intensive pore treatment? Drop your skin type in the comments and I'll tell you which one to pick. Subscribe for more K-beauty comparisons that actually help you decide.